welcome to my channel. My name is Sona and I'm back with yet another video for you all, and today's video is a party look. Okay, so party में जाना हर किसी को बहुत पसंद है and also wedding season भी अब start हो चुके हैं, so I thought ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है जब मैं मेकअप ग्लैम लुक क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ and you guys will love seeing that. You guys can also create this look. It's very easy look. So firstly, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video and comment what do you like the most in the video. So now let's start. Let me tell you that I've properly prepped my face. Okay, मैंने cleanse कर लिया है. I've washed my face and then I've applied rose water and after that face serum and then sunscreen. So I've already prepped my face very nicely, and let me show you the product I've used.
First I've applied the rose water, then the serum and followed by sunscreen.
So first step is foundation, and for foundation I'm taking this poreless foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. This is my favorite foundation. Like, this is my, I think, second or third bottle, so it is amazing. Like, it works magical on the skin. So for your skin you can first do a patch test whether it works properly or not, but I think for most of the skin this definitely works, and it is a beautiful foundation. It settles on in your skin very nicely. So I'll take very little on the back of my hand and then put it in a dot all over my face. तो इसको मैं अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. Make sure you have to dab this beauty blender. Don't just rub it on your face because that will make the foundation look very bad and अच्छे से नहीं blend होगा. My foundation is properly blended, and after that the next step is I'm taking this concealer. This is from Maybelline Fit Me, one of my favorite concealer again. So जहाँ भी dark spots या dark areas है मैं उसको लगा लूँगी. Again I'll blend it with a beauty blender. You can take a brush also, or if even with hands you can use. I think it do pretty good job with hands also. और जो small blenders आते हैं beauty blender वो concealer के लिए होते हैं. You can go for that also. After concealing the dark spots or whatever dark area is there on my face, उसके बाद मैं ले रही हूँ ये compact powder. This is from Faces Canada. Also guys, if your skin is too much oily you can do baking also, but वो step अभी मुझे I don't think ज़रूरत है उसकी इतनी, so I'm just using the compact powder and I think वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा काम करता है if you're using a good compact powder. So guys, after doing compact, let's move on to eyeshadow, and eyeshadow के लिए मैं ले रही हूँ ये वाला palette. This is nude palette and I love all these shades. So आज जो भी eye look create करूँगी मैं इस palette से ही करूँगी, and as you can see starting from this crease, crease के लिए मैं लेने जा रही हूँ this. So crease के लिए I'll be taking this. Next I'll take the darker shade, ये वाला, and मैं इसको अपने end से लेकर अंदर crease तक जाऊंगी. And I think अच्छे से crease हो चुका है. And if I talk about the eyelid, eyelid के लिए मैं ले रही हूँ लाइट पर्पल, ये वाला शेड. अच्छे से स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं एंड इसको जो ऊपर क्रीज लाइन थी उसके साथ अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है. ओके, सो द मेन कलर इज द गोल्डन कलर जो अब आईलेट्स में ऊपर से लगेगा, एंड फॉर दिस आई एम टेकिंग दिस क्रेव. मुझे ऊपर से इसको पूरा अच्छे से स्प्रेड, आई डोंट हैव टू जस्ट रब इट, बस इसको ऊपर से डैब डैब करना है.
Let me give you a closer look of eyeshadow. Same I'll do for my other eye also.
Eye look has been completed now, as you can see. Let me give you a close up. Blush के लिए मैं same palette लेने जा रही हूँ. इसमें से I'll take this blush pinkish shade. Done with my blush. You can see कि blush कितने अच्छे से look change कर देता है. I personally love to use blush. Contour के लिए भी I will take a same palette and I'll take this tease shade from the palette. It is a brownish kind of shade. So now my blush and my contour has been blended properly, and let's move on to highlighters. So highlighter is my favorite part because it gives so much definition to your cheekbones, and actually your face glows so much and looks so different. So let's move on to highlighter, and that is a very important. अगर आप किसी party में जा रहे हो या you know कोई wedding function है, कोई festival है, it will make you stand out. Highlighting, I will be taking this in color highlighter.
So I'm highlighting all the high points on my cheekbone, bridge of the nose and chin also. You can use on your forehead also.
Now I'll do my eyebrows, and for that I'll take this in color pencil. So guys, now eyebrows are done and I'll go for mascara. So for mascara I'll use this Maybelline Super Curl mascara. After mascara comes my most favorite part, and that is lipstick. So for lipstick I will take this Miss Claire lipstick. It's a pink shade. As you can see, this lipstick looks so beautiful and it actually brightens your makeup so much. Okay, so for over the top look, I think I'll complete this look with a gloss because that will look beautiful. So I'm using this Lakme Absolute Gloss. Guys, my look has been completed now, and as you can see, this looks so beautiful and so vibrant. Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked my today's look, and if you do, then don't forget to like the video, comment on the video and subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell, because whenever I will be uploading any video, you will be the first one to get the notification. So that's all for today. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.